up to question number 38. Now let us start 39, second one. First of all, question number 39, second one, y equal to log 11x square plus 7x plus 3. 11x square plus 7x plus 3. Now see, we know the derivative of log x. What is derivative of log x?
1 upon x.
X, correct. So instead of x, if some function is there like this 11x square plus 7x plus 3, so you can consider this 11x square plus 7x plus 3 is a u. So derivative of u is 1 upon u. Like derivative of log x is 1 upon x, so derivative of log u is 1 upon u. And according to chain rule, dy by dx is nothing but dy by du into du by dx. So here whatever your u is what here 11x square plus 7x plus 3. Derivative of that with respect to x, we have to multiply with derivative of y with respect to u. So what we have to do in this question, taking u equal to 11x square plus 7x plus 3. So now our y becomes log u. Now differentiate this with respect to x. So 11x square. Now one more thing. See, logarithm of m plus n. If there is a plus sign between the if there is a plus sign in a bracket, then simplification is not possible here. If it is multiplication or division in bracket, then simplification is possible. So right now for this question, simplification is not possible. That is why we have to consider this as a function u. Now tell me the derivative of u.
22x plus 7.
Correct. And now derivative of y with respect to u, it's same like as log x with respect to x. So log u with respect to u, that is what 1 upon u. Now by chain rule, dy by dx is nothing but dy by du into du by dx. So simply multiply this two. So we get dy by dx equal to dy by du is what 1 upon u into derivative of u, that is 22x plus 7. So my final answer is 22x plus 7 upon u. But what is u? 11x square plus 7x plus 3. So this is the answer. Sometimes for this type of question, you have to write direct answer if our question having lot of derivative for other functions. For this function you have to do, for this particular question you have to do same like this, but you must have to know how to write answer directly. So you have to think like this is your u. So derivative of log u is 1 upon u, that means this one, into derivative of u with respect to x, that means this is your u, so its derivative with respect to x, that is what 22x plus 7, and that is your final answer. You can write this type of question directly, but listen, in exam if the same question is there having 3 to 4 marks, you have to mention this particular method. But for big examples in which we require to find out derivative of this type of function, you can write directly. Okay, let us do one more example of this type. Question number 40, second one, log 2x plus 9. Question number 40, second one, y equal to log 2x plus 9. Now here once again you can consider u equal to 2x plus 9. So y becomes log u. Derivative of u with respect to x, simple, it is 2 only. and derivative of y with respect to u is 1 upon u, and by chain rule dy by dx is nothing but dy by du into du by dx. So simply multiply this, you will get the answer. So dy by du is 1 upon u and into du by dx is what? 2. So my answer is 2 upon u, but u is what? 2x plus 9. So 2 upon 2x plus 9, that is the answer. It's very simple. Let us do this question number 41. Y equal to log in bracket 2x plus 3 upon 3x plus 7. 2x plus 3 upon 3x plus 7. Now for this particular function, don't consider this as u, but instead of that use this particular rule, log m upon n. What is the rule? Log m upon n?
Log m minus log n.
Correct. So what we have to write for this? Y equal to log 2x plus 3 minus log 3x plus 7. Now simplification of log 2x plus 3 is not possible because of plus sign. So now let us write down direct answer for this. Tell me the direct answer. This is your u. So 1 upon, yes please, yes please. One upon 2x plus 3 into derivative of this 2x plus 3, that is what? 2 minus. Now tell me the answer for this directly. Any of you?
1 upon 3x plus 7.
Into,
Sorry,
don't forget to
3.
multiply it by 3. Yes, correct. So my final answer is dy by dx equal to 2 upon 2x plus 3 minus 3 upon 3x plus 7 over. So this is the answer, 2 upon 2x plus 3 minus 3 upon 3x plus 7. Now let us do this question. Question number 46. Y equal to log in bracket e raised to x in another bracket x minus 2 upon x plus 2 whole raised to 3 by 4. Dy by dx is x square minus 1 upon x square minus 4. This is what we have to prove for this question. It is slightly lengthy. So what we have to do, listen. First step, don't differentiate. First of all, simplify. Tell me the simplification of this. Any of you have any idea? What is the first step of simplification here? Consider this is your m and this one is your n. M into n. Now tell me.
Log e raised to x plus
Correct. Log e raised to x plus log this remaining part. Okay, now one more step. What is simplification of log e raised to x? What is the formula of log m raised to n? Simplification. There is a rule. Log m raised to n. What is the rule?
log m
N into log n. So what is simplification of this?
log e
Yeah, x into log e. For this,
to 4 log x minus 2 upon x plus 2 raised to minus 1 upon 4.
no. It's not derivative. It's not derivative. It is simplification. This is like log m raised to n. So your n is what? 3 by 4. So you can write 3 by 4 log m. It's like this only. It is not simplification. Okay, any of you know value of log e? What is the value of log e? that we already discussed in our previous lecture. Value of log is, yes please.
1, sir.
Yes, you are right, 1. And still it is not differentiation, it is simplification. X into 1 plus 3 by 4. Now tell me the simplification of this. Log m upon n. Log m upon n. Log m minus log n. One more step of simplification. Y equal to x into 1 is x multiplied by this 3 by 4 to both the terms. So 3 by 4 log x minus 2 minus 3 by 4 log x plus 2. And now this is simplified form. Now simplification of this is not possible because of this plus sign. Now this is my simplified form of the given question. And now differentiate. Now differentiate this. Tell me the derivative. Dy by dx. What is derivative of x?
1.
1. 3 by 4 is a constant. Tell me the derivative of log x minus 2.
1x minus 2.
1 upon x minus 2.
Into. Don't forget to multiply it
1.
by derivative of this. Derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 2 is 0. So 1. Minus 3 by 4. Tell me the answer for this. Full answer.
X plus 2 into 1.
Yes, 1 upon x plus 2 into 1. Correct. Now, once again, simplification. 1 as it is. 3 into 1, that is 3 upon 4 into x minus 2 minus 3 upon 4 into x plus 2. Now, one more step for simplification. What we have to do? LCM. See, 4 is there, x minus 2, x plus 2, that is LCM. So we have to multiply all these three terms with 1 because there is no denominator here. So 4 into x minus 2, x plus 2. Plus, now tell me the next one.
2x plus 2.
Yes, minus.
3 into x minus 2.
Correct. Now simplified once again. So what is dy by dx? Keep this 4 as it is. What is x minus 2, x plus 2?
X square minus 4.
Yes, plus simplifying this, we get 3x plus 6 minus 3x plus 6 upon keeping this 4 as it is, and this x minus 2x plus 2 is x square minus 4. You can cancel minus 3x. So what we get, dy by dx equal to, open the bracket, we get 4x square, 4 4s are 16 and 6 plus 6 is 12 upon 4x square minus 16. So if we simplify, we get 4x square and minus 16 plus 12 is minus 4 upon 4x square minus 16. Let us take 4 common. We get x square minus 1. Let us take 4 common. We get x square minus 4. Cancel this 4. So we get final answer of dy by dx, that is x square minus 1 upon x square minus 4. So this is good question, slide lengthy compared to previous all question. X square minus 1 upon x minus 4, that is the answer. Okay, let us do this question. Question number 39 first. Question number 39. First one. Y equal to 3 raised to 2x square plus 7x plus 1. Same way, you can consider this power of 3 as u. So we get y equal to 3 raised to u. Now derivative of u with respect to x. That is very simple, 4x plus 7. Now derivative of y with respect to u. Tell me the derivative of 3 raised to u. Any of you have any idea? 3 raised to u, yes.
3 raised to u log 3.
Correct. And if you want to write base, then it should be e or it is default e. So if you do not write, it's okay. So now dy by dx. According to the chain rule, it should be dy by dx should be dy by du into du by dx. So dy by dx equal to du by dx. See, du by dx is what? 3 raised to u into log 3 into du by dx. What is du by dx? That is what? 4x plus 7. So this is my final answer, but it's better to put value of u. So u is what? 12x square plus 7x plus 3, sorry, plus 1 into this log 3 base e into 4x plus 7. So this is my final answer. 3 raised to 2x square plus 7x plus 1 into 4x plus 7 into log 3 base e. That is the final answer. Let us do question number 40 first. 3 raised to 5x plus 7. Any of you able to write direct answer? Direct. I want direct answer. One step answer. Possible? 3 raised to, just think this is your u.
15.
No, 3 raised to 5x plus 7 into log 3 base e into derivative of this numerator, that is what? 5. This is your one step answer. But if you want, by using method, dy by dx is dy by du into du by dx, and your u is nothing but 5x plus 7. So y becomes 3 raised to u. You have to find out derivative of u with respect to x. What is derivative of 5x plus 7? 5. And derivative of y with respect to u. What is derivative of 3 raised to u? 3 raised to u into log u, sorry, log 3, that we already discussed in our previous question. So what we get? Dy by dx, dy by du, that is 3 raised to u into log 3 into dy by dx is what? 5. So my final answer is 3 raised to u means what? 5x plus 7 into log 3 into 5. So this is my final answer. Now nothing is possible. Don't simply, this is not possible to write log 15. You cannot multiply this 5 with 3. So just keep this as it is. It is your final answer. 3 raised to, or you can write 5 first. See, instead of, because of multiplication, you can write, put 5 at any of the place out of this 3 place. So 5, 3 raised to 5x plus 7 into log 3 base e. That is my final answer. Okay. Now let us do this question number 48. Y, if y equal to log in bracket e raised to x into x raised to e into e raised to e, and we have to find out dy by dx. Okay, tell me the answer. What is the first step here? Simplification or derivative? Simplification or derivative?
Simplification, sir.
Yes. Tell me the simplification. Log m into n into p. It's like this only. Multiplication. Yes, please.
Log e raised to x plus log x raised to e plus log e raised to e.
Now one more step of simplification. You can write this equal to x log e. You can write this equal to e log x, and this is e log e. But we know the value of log e, that is 1. So e log x keep as it is. But this should be e into 1. So my final simplification is x plus e into log x plus e. And now differentiate. Now dy by dx. Tell me the derivative of x. 1. E is a constant. Keep as it is. Derivative of log x.
1 upon x.
1 upon x.
And e is a constant. What is derivative of e? E is a constant.
0.
0. So the final answer is 1 plus e upon x. This is the final answer. 1 plus e upon x. 1 plus e upon x. Let us do this question number 50. Y equal to log in bracket 2x plus 1 whole raised to 2 upon 3x plus 2 whole raised to 2 whole raised to 3, sorry. So let us start. First step, tell me derivative or simplification.
Simplification.
Yes, it should be log m upon n. It should be like log m upon n. So we get log m minus log n. Now tell me for this one, log 2x plus 1 whole square, what we get?
2 log 2x plus 1.
Correct. Minus 3 into log 3x plus 2. And now differentiate dy by dx. 2 is a constant, keep as it is. Tell me the derivative of log 2x plus 1.
2 upon 2x plus 1.
Listen. 1 upon 2x plus 1 into, don't forget to multiply this with its derivative 2. Minus 3. Now tell me the answer for this.
1 upon 3x plus 2 into 3.
Correct. So my final answer dy by dx equal to 2 2s are 4, 2x plus 1 and 3 3s are 9 upon 3x plus 2. This is final answer. 4 upon 2x plus 1, 4 upon 2 in bracket 2x plus 1 minus 9 upon 3x plus 2. Okay, now let us do this question 51. Y equal to e raised to root x. So first of all, this root x you can consider as u. So y becomes e raised to u. Now tell me the derivative of root x. Tell me the derivative of root x.
1 by 2x raised to minus 1 by 2.
Or you can write directly 1 upon 2 root x. You can write directly. Yes, you are right. 1 by 2 into x raised to minus 1 by 2. But that simplification is nothing but 1 upon 2 root x. And dy by du, that is e raised to u, e raised to u. Final answer. dy by dx is dy by du into du by dx. So it is like this only, e raised to u into 1 upon 2 root x. So final answer is e raised to u. U means what? Root x upon 2 root x. So e raised to root x upon 2 root x, that is final answer. E raised to root x upon 2 root x. Or you can write 1 upon 2 root x into e raised to root x. It's same thing. Let us do this question number 52. Y equal to e raised to root of 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Same way, let us take u equal to root of 2x square plus 3x plus 1 and y equal to e raised to u. Now listen, derivative of this du by dx, listen carefully. We know the derivative of root x, it is 1 upon 2 root x, so it's like root of something, so it should be 1 upon 2 root the same thing, 2x square plus 3x plus 1 into, don't forget it to multiplied by derivative of this part. What is derivative of 2x square plus 3x plus 1?
4x plus 3.
Correct. And keep this dy by okay, derivative of y with respect to u, that is e raised to u. So now just substitute this value in formula. Now by using chain rule, dy by dx is dy by du into du by dx. Substitute all values. dy by du, that is e raised to u into du by dx. Du by dx is nothing but this full term, 1 upon 2 root 2x square plus 3x plus 1, 2x square plus 3x plus 1 into 4x plus 3. Now my final answer is dy by dx equal to, you can put the value of u. So e raised to 2x square plus 3x plus 1 into 1 upon, or you can write this 4x plus 3 here in numerator, upon 2 into root 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So this is my final answer. E raised to, see this term, e raised to root 2x square plus 3x plus 1, that is our first term here, into 4x plus 3 upon 4x plus 3 upon 2 in root 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Let us do this question 53. Y equal to log x raised to x. Log x raised to x. Tell me the first step.
X log x.
X into log x, correct. Now if you want to find out derivative, you have to use u into v rule. Use into v rule, multiplication rule of derivative. What is multiplication rule? Keep first function as it is and differentiate second function. What is derivative of log x?
1 upon x.
Yes. Then which sign we have to write here? Plus. Now log x as it is, and now derivative of this x with respect to x.
1.
1. So my final answer is dy by dx equal to, you can cancel this x, so we get 1 plus log x. This is my final answer for question number 53, 1 plus log x. So this is enough for today. You try to find out the answer of remaining all questions and if you find any difficulty, we will discuss your